Hello, and welcome back to my Canvas Guide series. My name is Kyle Fidalgo, and I am going to use these short videos to introduce to you useful tips for maintaining and enhancing your Canvas sites at Boston College Law School. In this short video tutorial, I will cover the basic layout of the Canvas Gradebook and some of the more notable features it has to offer. The Gradebook helps instructors easily input and distribute grades for students. Grades for each assignment can be calculated as points, percentages, complete or incomplete, pass or fail, a GPA scale, and letter grades. Assignments can be organized into groups for weighting as well. To access the gradebook, click on the Grades link of your Canvas site navigation. The default view in the gradebook is to view all students at a time, but you can also view students individually in the Gradebook Individual View. To access this viewpoint, click the Individual View button. The individual view allows you to assess one student and one assignment at a time. You can switch back and forth between the views at any time by clicking Switch to Default Gradebook. To view students' individual grades, click the student's name. This page allows you to view individual comments, scoring details, and rubric results for this particular student. You can use your browser's back button or click the Grades navigation link to get back to the gradebook. Each column in the gradebook represents an assignment, a graded discussion, or quiz. With assignments in the gradebook, you can evaluate both individual and group work, enter and edit scores, leave comments for your students, view total grades as a point value instead of percentages, or excuse an assignment, graded discussion, or quiz. You can access a column menu for helpful tasks by hovering over the header of the column and clicking the drop-down icon. For each assignment, you can set one or more options. You can view assignment details, view the assignment in the speed grader, send a message to your students, set a default grade, curve grades, download submissions, or mute an assignment. To enter grades for your students, you have several options. You can double-click directly in the field of the student and assignment you wish to grade, type in the grade, and then hit the Enter key. You can click the chat bubble icon in the assignment cell. Here, you can do things like leave comments, enter grades, and access the assignment via the speed grader. Most commonly, you will use the speed grader to review student assignments, graded discussions, and quizzes in order to enter grades. This will be covered in another Canvas Guides video. Finally, when looking at the gradebook, you may notice several different icons. The first being submission icons. These indicate what type of submission the student has completed. You will see things like a discussion icon, which represents a graded discussion that's been submitted but not graded. You'll notice a document icon for files that have been uploaded and submitted but not graded. Film strip icons can appear for media recordings. You may also see a text icon where a text entry was submitted, a link icon where website URLs have been submitted, a muted icon, which means the assignment has been muted, a quiz icon, which means the quiz has been submitted. This indicates that it contains questions that must be manually graded. The second type of icons are related to grading type. Dash icons represent no submissions from the student. A number icon represents the points grade that has been assigned. A check icon and the X icon represent complete or incomplete grades respectively. You may see a letter if you've configured letter grades, or a percentage if you have set percentage grades. You may also notice the GPA scale, or an EX for an excused assignment. Finally, there are colors you should be aware of. A yellow shading means an assignment has been resubmitted. Pink shading indicates the student submitted their assignment late. And gray-lined shading means it's a dropped grade. That's it for this video tutorial. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos like this in the future.